In this video we will discuss the various options available under the menu button option when working in the match detail window. Navigate to Fixtures Match Detail. The first option we will explore is the Documents menu. Under Documents you can print team sheets for both your team and the opposition team. The next option gives you a player matchup of the side selected, comparing them by age, weight and height of each player position. You can also generate reversion forms. There are two options available. One with your team selection only, and a second option with both your team and the opposition team players. Under the Statistics menu, you can view detail on the player selected to participate in this match. You can see the player's points tallies and how it was made up. You can also see yellow and red cards issued for individual players. The statistics is broken down into two columns. The first reflects statistics of your current season, and the second will reflect the player's overall statistics since his or her data was captured on the scrumIT system. If you scroll to the bottom, you can export these statistics into Excel by clicking on the Export to Excel icon. The next option will give you a listing of all your previous encounters with your opposition. You can filter this listing using the search provided under the Click here to search hyperlink. All these fixtures have scorecards which can be viewed by clicking on the scorecard hyperlink on the right of the match description record. The scorecard will have a detailed breakdown of the match statistics. The Opposition Matches option can be used to look at all the opposition's previous encounters. Like with the previous option, the scorecard hyperlink is available. The last menu option offers 3 automated email notification options. The first option allows you to send a reminder to your opposition club that you are waiting on them to submit their team sheet for the given fixture. The second option only applies when you are the away playing side. This message reminder will notify the home side responsible for scoring to please complete the fixture scorecard. The third option is a message that will be sent to the allocated referee to remind him or her to verify that the submitted score is correct. Thank you very much. I hope you found this tutorial useful.